The Bursa Kent Museum, located in the heart of the city centre, offers visitors a fascinating insight into the rich history, culture and daily life of one of Turkey's most historically significant cities. Housed in a beautifully restored building, the museum combines modern exhibition techniques with traditional architectural features, creating an engaging environment that appeals to both residents and tourists. It was established to preserve the city and showcase its urban memory, highlighting Bursa's transformation from its early days as the first Ottoman capital to its modern identity as a thriving metropolis. The museum's collections are diverse and thoughtfully curated, encompassing artefacts, photographs, documents and models that illustrate various aspects of Bursa's social, cultural and economic history. Visitors can explore exhibits on traditional crafts, including silk production and textile industries that once made the city famous. Sections dedicated to everyday life reveal the evolution of housing, transportation and public spaces over the centuries, while interactive displays allow for a more immersive experience. The museum also presents temporary exhibitions that explore specific themes or contemporary issues, further enriching its offerings. The Bursa Kent Museum serves not only as a centre for preserving the city's heritage, but also as a lively cultural hub, hosting workshops, educational programs and events that engage the community. Its location in the city centre makes it easily accessible for those exploring Bursa's historic streets, the Ulu Cami, the Covered Bazaar and other nearby landmarks. Visitors leave with a deeper understanding of the city's past, the lives of the inhabitants and the enduring legacy of Bursa as a centre of culture, commerce and Ottoman history.